What is going on, foodie fam? Welcome to the channel. Today we got some soup, some noodles. This is ramen, stir-fried ramen. This is what we're gonna be eating today, guys. Sponsored by James. Thank you so much, buddy. I actually put everything already in the microwave, in the water. It's steamed up. All we have to do is put all the flavors, the spices into it. As you can tell, it's just still hot. The steam is coming out. So we got 2 packets we got to mix it in with. We're going to be using this stuff right here, the sauce packets. So we're going to open them up and we can put it in a bowl to give it that flavor. I'm actually on my little lunch break at work, and we're going to open this up. I'm going to use the scissors so we can get all the sauce out here. Bam, here we go. Here's the sauce that we're going to be using. Oh yeah, I can smell the sauce. It smells pretty hot. That's the way she said. But yeah, I'm gonna just dip this in here. It's a nice cold day. It's around 2:30 a.m. in the morning. I say, you know what? Soup sounds really good on a nice cold day. All right, get everything in there. Gonna mix them. We got this the flakes. We're gonna mix the flakes in the soup here. Mix it all in there. Put it in, and we're gonna stir it up with the fork, guys. We're gonna stir it up with the fork. This is what it looks like. We're gonna stir it up. Ooh. Oh yeah, spicy. Oh yeah, spicy. Yeah, I can smell it. It's pretty spicy, guys. It's red color. It's turning the noodles red. Ooh. But it's, you know, I like spices. I like spices. I really do. I like the spice. I like the spices. It smells very hot. It smells pretty hot. It smells pretty hot. It smells very hot, actually. Not pretty hot. It smells very hot, guys. So this is what it looks like. Do a thumbnail. Man. We got the character Oshi, trade character Oshi. This is Oshi, I guess. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. It's man, I hope it's not too hot, but we'll find out together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you guys for watching. It's been a while since I ate some noodles, ramen noodles. So I'm just kind of stirring it up a little bit, make it nice and stirry. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do it. I can smell it. It smells really spicy. It smells very spicy. You can smell it. It's spicy. But, you know, let's try it out. Let's see if it's pretty good. Here we go. Oh, man. Let's go. Very good and very spicy and hot. But it's good. It's a good kind of spicy and hot, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's hot, but it's not too hot. Oh, man, it's good. Look what it looks like. It's good. I tasted like different ramen noodles and soups and all that. Like I usually, to be honest, I usually eat what's that called? Cups cups of soups with the cup in it, I eat those. But I'm not used to eating these. But they're good. It's spicy, it's hot, and it's pretty good. Perfect on a nice cold night like this. A nice soup would warm you up. Oh man, this is perfect. It's hot, but it's pretty good. It's a good hot. Like I said, it's a good hot. We get to what we got to drink today is Tampica, 0 sugar. Tampica is like an orange juice. Ah man, we're almost done, but this soup is very good. It's very good actually. Got a little bit more to go. If you like spicy stuff and hot stuff, this is good stuff. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I give this it's hot, it's good. I give it a 9, so good. If you like hot stuff and on a cold day, I recommend this. It's really good. Till then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys around the corner. And like I always say, stay hungry.